everyone! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And today's video guys, we will be sharing to you our newly procured uniform. Since kami ramang duha in the office, so naami uniform para kaming duha, and then not necessarily nga dili nimi mo follow sa uniform sa LGU, but amo pong ihatag kay every Friday is ano man guna wash day. So we decided na every Friday sab kanang naami match up nga uniform nga amo ang duha sa peso. And then in every activities and in every event nga naay kalabutan sa Public Employment Service Office sa peso, so mag-uniforming duha ani nga mga uniform. We have 4 sets of uniform, and ang isa ka set nga design is nabilin pa. So karon we are very much happy to Ian King nga mo'y nagtahi ani nga uniform namo, and we are happy to share our designs, the uniforms nga among nakuha. And yes guys, watch out. So we're back. Yes guys, so I have here Mr. Fernandez, and I will be showing to you our uniform one by one. Okay. So, our first uniform is combination of, warag na ipagka-violet nga na ipagka-pink, guys. And this will be marked as Cuevas. And with collar ni siya, everyone. With collar. So, na siya logo sa peso. Peso logo. And the peso nga abbreviation of Public Employment Service Office. And with the Ascenso Clarin logo and the LGU Clarin logo. So this is it. This is my uniform for me sa size na po, and that is for Mr. Fernandez. Okay? So another. Yeah, thank you so much. So yeah. Another uniform is this one. Look at it. Look at it, everyone. So another design, another color, another design, and then kuan pud siya Nike collar with dito na gyapon ang logo dayon. Dahil lang nga design. Peso, we love peso. So napo si Fernandez guys. And another is this one.
I love this color.
Yeah, you love this color. So we will, so auto na to na karon. Another guys is this one. Another is this one. Peso. Yeah. Cuevas. XL mo jud ko guys. So, we're happy na pa may isa ka design. So, kuan lang to siya kana.
Nice villa, some nice subdivision.
Yeah. Kuanto siya guys, kanang surprise na to siya kay kuanon pa to namo tomorrow around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So karon guys, among ilison ning color black kay our first choice black man among sampulan og sulog karon guys.
Red.
Ha? Red black lang.
Black.
Okay guys, so yeah, babay sa kay mag-ilis sa me, and we will show you our design nga gisuot na namo guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Here is our new uniform. Look at it, guys. So, yeah, turned. And yes, see? And yeah.
The final torn.
So, wala tayong picture na to, na mag-picture na ta. Yes, guys, this will be our uniform sa yeah. Yes. Thank you, partner. So, ngayon kasi Fernandez, so kinahanglan po dyan ko magpaliwang. So, guys, this is it.
This is it, Pansy.
This is B1
And B2.
your Public Employment Service Office employee. Ow! Basta peso, Clarin.
Pinangga ka.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.